Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our first chapter, that not from profit organization. Before the starting of this chapter, first we have to know about that what is the meaning of not from profit organization. In 11th, you are studying sole trade organization. They are single person and all the accounting treatment which is related with the sole trade business. We are going to do this all as like a depreciation, bank reconciliation statement, cash book, ledger, journal entries, and last final account. Here we are going to study another type of business, another type of organization, that name is not from profit organization. First we are going to know about that what is the meaning of not from profit organization. As like the name is here, not from profit organization means the organization they are not working for the earning profit. The organization they are not working for the profit, they are working for the social welfare, social work or social things. It's very clear now. Mainly that type of organization, the organization they are going to work not for earning the profit, they are going to work for the social welfare, society work, or work which is related with the society. That type of business is called not from profit organization. Clear beta? The organization they are working not from earning the profit, they are working for the social welfare, social work, social things. That type of organization is called not from profit organization, because these type of organization is not really work for the earning profit. These type of organization work, it's like work, and they are doing the transaction, they are doing the selling and purchasing, but his main motto is not the earning profit. His motto is earning the money, but motto is not for the earning profit. Main motto is what? Giving the social welfare, giving the social work, giving the some facility of society. By that they try to earn some money, but his objective is not going for the earning profit. Maybe you can say objective is earning money, but by the doing of some social welfare work, by the doing of some work, give some facilities to the society, by that earning some amount, that type of organization is called not from profit organization. Now we are talking about objective of this type of organization. This type of organization objective not earning profit. His main objective is that giving the social welfare, giving the social work, just try to maintain the lifestyle of society, improving the society lifestyle, improving the lifestyle, as like that colleges, schools, club, libraries, these all are mainly created or organized for the societal work or help of society. They are not organized for the earning profit. They are getting some money, they are earning some money by the giving this type of facility, but his main motto is not earning profit. Okay, beta? Now, after his detailing or after his explaining about the not from profit organization, we are going to focusing our main motto, and in accounting our main motto is that we are taking the different type of business and doing the accounting treatment of his transactions. Again same, we are going for that not from profit organization, and this not from profit organization we are going to know about the accounting treatment. What accounting treatment we are doing in the not from profit organization. In the not from profit organization, mainly in our accounting, we are going for the knowing about the accounting treatment of not from profit organization. So it's it's an organization, it's like a business, but it's not working for the profit. So sure and certain we are not going to make the cash book or profit and loss account, because no profit is there. Then how are we going to make the profit and loss account? Because this type of business is not going to work for the profit, so we are not able to maintain any type beta, we are not going to maintain any type of profit loss account. Very different accounting we are going to utilize for the making of our accounting treatment for the non-profit organization. We are mainly going to make three things or three type of account we are going to maintain in our non-profit business when we are going to accounting treatment. First is the receipts and payment account. Second, income and expenditure account. And third, you will know balance sheet. Two balance sheet beta, one is opening and second is closing. Okay beta, two balance sheet we are going to make. These three things we are going to make in our not-from-profit organization: receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Now we are going to start step by step how to maintain this all accounting in our business, our organization. Okay beta, we are going to work step by step. First is the receipts and payment account. What is the meaning of receipts and payment account beta? Receipts and payment account is the account in which we are going to maintain all type of receipts. Maybe that will relate with the next year, last year, current year, capitalized receipt, revenue receipt. Any type of receipt means any type of receipt. By the receipt by the selling of assets, receipt by the selling of goods, receipt which is related with the next year, receipt which is related with the last year, receipt any type of receipt you are going to receive, so that will be entered in the receipt column of income and receipts and payment account. Any type of receipt. That what I am saying is any type of means any type of receipt. That will maybe relate with the last year, next year, current year, revenue, relate in the revenue nature, capitalized nature, that all receipt. If receipt we are going to enter. Okay beta? Its account is like that. Receipts and payment account. This column is receipts column and this column is payment. It's the amount. Any type of receipts we are entered here. We will start with the two balance, and then any type of receipts relate with the next year, last year, current year, capitalized revenues, all receipts are entered here. And then all payment here. Maybe that will relate with the next year, last year, current year, revenues, capitalized. I think well about the revenues capitalized. By the selling and purchasing of goods and services, if you are earning or expanding, that is the nature of revenue. By the selling and purchasing of assets and liabilities, that all type of expense and income is related with the nature of capitalized. Any type of payment, maybe you are purchasing any assets, maybe you are purchasing any building, maybe you are purchasing any land, maybe you are purchasing any vehicle, car, machinery, goods, services. If you are going to pay, so sure and certain entered in the payment side. Okay beta? Sure and certain you are going to enter in the payment side. If you are pay in this year, so sure and certain, maybe that is related with the last year or for the advance. Clear beta? After that, last we are going to balance in this side, that is by balance sheet, and by that we are going to close the receipts and payment account. Start with the two balance, then all the receipts to all receipts. Okay, maybe that is related with the current year, next year, last year, capitalized or revenue. Then all payment, this side, payment side, maybe that is related with the revenue, capitalized, next year, balance. Clear? Now I am going for the next account, and next is the income expenditure. Income and expenditure. It's a totally substitute of PL account beta. Income and expenditure. This side is expense and this side is income. It's amount and amount. Here start with the 2, here start with the 1. Okay? It's a income and expenditure account. Clear? It's a income and expenditure account. They have two sides, expense and income. Okay? When we are going to make the income and expenditure account, so two ways to making of this income and expenditure account. By giving the balance of all account, and second, by the receipts and payment account. By giving the all the detail of the account or balancing of the account, or second, by the receipts and payment account. We are going with the first. If we are going to make the income and expenditure account by the giving detail of account, all type of receipts, all type of expense we are entered in the expense column. All type of expense we are entered in the expense column with thinking in our mind only current year, only all expense, only current year, revenue related and adjustment. Okay beta? Only we are taking the all head which is related with the current year, one. Second, which is related with the revenue, expense, and all the adjustment which is given in the question, we are going to do it. Okay? Same way, income side, all income. Same, current year, revenue related, and adjustment. Same, only current year income we are going to enter. If the many income is given, we are going to select or choose the income which is related with the current year only. Okay, beta? Clear? Then the income which is related with the revenue thing means income which we are earning by the selling and purchasing of goods and selling and purchasing of the assets. We are not going to take. We are only taking the income or receipts which is related by the selling and purchasing of goods and services. This is related by the selling and purchasing of goods and services. Clear beta? Then taking the difference, if income side is more, then this side surplus, and if expense side is more, then this side deficiency. Okay, this is the first method by the making of detailing of account given the question. Second, given the receipts and payment account, and we are going to make the income and expenditure account. By the receipts and payment account, we are going to make the income and expenditure account. Other thing is same. All expense we are putting here, all income we are putting here, and only taking the current year expense. We are going to choose from the expense side, pay side. Just see the all expense, but only we are going to take that expense which is related with the current year. Okay, beta? We are going to see this payment side, income and receipts and payment account. We are going to say the payment side, and from this payment side, we are going to take all expense which is related with the current year. Okay, beta? Then all expense which is the nature of revenue. Okay, beta? All the expense which is the nature of revenue. Then all the expense in which given the adjustment. If any type of adjustment is given in your question, so we are going to utilize that adjustment for the solving of our question. Clear? Now one more added only. This and this balance we are not going to take when we are going to make the income and expenditure account. The balance which is given in the receipts and payment account, opening and closing balance beta, that will not take when we are going to make the income and expenditure account by the receipts and payment account. Clear beta? If you are going to make the income expenditure account by the receipts and payment account beta, so we are not going to take these two balance, that opening balance and that closing balance we are not going to take. Okay, then again same thing, closing the account, if this side is balance is there, surplus, this side deficiency. Okay beta, clear how to make this income and expenditure account? Now I am going to detailing or discussing about the different head which we are utilizing in income and expenditure account. Okay, in the income side, main source of income of the not from profit organization is subscription. Okay beta, it's subscription. Subscription is the main source of income for the not from profit organization. Any type of donation, entry fees, these all the main resources for the income when we are going to discuss about the not from profit organization. Okay beta, this subscription firm will take the subscription from his members. How many members is there? Per member subscription amount, multiply that amount and total amount will show on the income side as by subscription. If entry fees is given, so with the entry fees some confusion is there. If no information is given about the entry fees beta, so that full entry fees we are going to take in income side. If any type of information is given of capitalized or revenues, so we are going to follow that information which is given in the question. Clear? Next, donation. Mainly two type of donation is there. Two type of donation. First is special donation. All the special donation we are going to take in where? Balance sheet. As like that, donation for building, donation for sports material, donation for land, these type of donation we are going to take in balance sheet. But only donation is given, then we are going to take this donation in income side. Okay beta? Clear? And expense, all the expense, salary, rent, printing stationaries, these all the expense we are showing on the expense side, and then taking the difference, and this difference if income side is more then surplus, if expense side is more then what? Deficiency. One more name is there. This surplus name is income over expenditure. This deficiency name is expenditure over income. Okay beta? Income over expenditure, expenditure over income. Clear? Now we are going for the balance sheet. I think you will learn about the balance sheet because in first year you already learned the balance sheet. Same way, but two balance sheet is there. One opening balance sheet, and in this opening balance sheet we are going to show all the assets and liability which is related with the old year, last year. Because by the balancing of this balance sheet, we are going to calculate the capital fund. Because capital is not given in this question, so we are going to calculate the capital fund because from the closing balance sheet we needed the capital. Okay? For that we are first make the opening balance sheet. We are showing all assets for last year. As like that, any assets, last year outstanding income, last year prepaid expense, last year outstanding expense, then balancing, and balancing amount is capital fund. Okay, and then we are going to take this capital fund for the making of our balance sheet, closing balance sheet. Take this capital fund, add this surplus, then all liabilities. Okay, and asset side, all assets we are going to show. Clear? This is all about the accounting treatment. In shortly, accounting treatment which we are done in a income and expenditure account. Some topic is remain that we are going to see. We will see on next class. Okay, beta? Clear? Three type of account we are going to present. Three type of things: receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, then balance sheet, opening and closing. Receipts and payment account, two side, receipts and payment, all receipt with the balance, any type of receipts, we are entered receipt column. All type of payment, we are entered in payment column. After that, we are going to make the income and expenditure account, expense and income, all expense which is related with the current year in revenue nature and adjustment. All the income related with the current year in revenue nature and adjustment. Don't take any type of balance, take the difference. If income side is more, then surplus. If expense side is more, then deficiency. Then we are going to make the balance sheet, two balance sheet. First is opening. By the making of opening balance sheet, we are going to calculate the capital fund, all assets, last year assets, all liability, difference amount is capital fund, and then we are going to take this capital fund and make the new balance sheet, or you say closing balance sheet. Clear? Okay, thank you.